Hi guys, I'm Heather. Welcome to Forties Face. I'm a wife, a mom, I work, I craft. Thank you for being here. I craft on a budget, my cosmetics are on a budget, and this week I wanted to share with you everything I've found out about Poshmark, and I want to hear from you below everything that you do to find a good deal too. I'm going to share the good, the interesting, and my not so good experiences. There's some really cool people on there with some really great things. And there's some really weird people on there with some really weird things. So it's all about how you use it to make it work for you. You can try it too. My code and my links are below. They are affiliate links. People like Macari too. I haven't tried that. Comment if you have. Okay, guys. Here it is. This is every time I broke my February funds freeze. I joined in January. Since someone commented and my focus on cruelty free is there, I just want to express the brands that are not on our list of cruelty free, leaving Bunny safe. No part of my money went to that company or the brands. I think it's better to not waste it and for somebody to purchase it from somebody else. But that's just my opinion. Your opinion is welcome in the comments below. Please sound off. I don't go to Sephora. I've talked a bit about that before. I share in shorts my TJ Maxx finds. This Pro Longwear was a TJ Maxx Mac find, and it prompted me to want to try the Studio Fix. Getting it on Poshmark made it more affordable, made it possible, and I understand about this brand for those who have opinions. I respect your opinions. I loved Selena. I did not know her before the J-Lo movie as a teen. I apologize. But after that movie, I soaked up everything I ever saw about her. Selena Quintanilla, Bitty Bitty Bom Bom. Just the most cutest, sparkliest gloss, and I'm not going to wear it. But I just wanted it because it was her. You're going to find things on there that would be considered expired. So they're more so, I guess, collector's items. If that makes sense. The Luminous Silk Foundation wears very nice. This is my most beautiful disappointment. And I mean zero disrespect. And if anybody has successfully worked with this palette, I need your opinions and comments below, tips, tricks, tell me what I'm doing wrong. I had zero payoff. I thought this palette's pigments were pointless. But these components are everything. This lipstick is great. I don't have any complaints. I wasn't on MySpace in 2008. I was a mama. I had my son in 1998. I had my daughter in 2008. The only thing I know about Jeffree Star is what I've learned about him since this past year. I got curious to know more because of Rich Lux. So when it comes to Jeffree Star Cosmetics, Poshmark helped me go all in. Most everything in my collection came direct from jeffreestarcosmetics.com, but the things here came from Poshmark. That amazing highlighter palette goes with the Jawbreaker palette. And they're just so beautiful together. These are colors most people are supposed to wear, I guess, on their cheeks and stuff, but I feel safe that I will personally prime, set, and use these on my eyes. And the lady who sold them to me, she hand stoned this brush. So, all my crafty friends, here's one more thing to bling. I got all these amazing unused brushes and bags on Poshmark. Like the most amazing brushes. I would never give Morphine my money. They closed all their stores and let all those people go. Like, I would never give Morphe my money. I didn't even know about Morphe x Jeffree Star or Morphe and the other collabs like Jacqueline and them. What I knew of Morphe was them closing their stores and all those girls losing their jobs and those fellas too. Like, anybody affected by that, I sincerely, personally respect how traumatizing that had to be. I got all these on Poshmark from other ladies who were selling theirs. And then I took those little tassels from the mascara and I put them on the bag. If you need a fun way to store your brushes, these are from Dollar Tree. Some stickies, you can hang them on the back of your wall. I got these little threesome minis because the colors were just so cute. And I need to check the dates. They both just came in this past week, so I don't know if I can use them yet or not. The writing on the back is not the easiest for me to read. I'm 42. This is my one and only Poshmark purchase that I wasn't so happy with. Wasn't so bad, just wasn't so happy. 9 of the pans were perfect, but that gold shade is the frosting dented, like someone's thumb got jammed into it. So I don't know. I don't touch that shade. I really liked Poison. A lot. And it looks like they used Fetish now that I'm in this light. So I'm glad I did this. I will not use Fetish or frosting. I think I've touched Deja Vu, so I'm not going to say that was them, but I did use Poison. So I don't know. I'm just saying, if you're comfortable using or disinfecting your eyeshadows, comment below. If you shop on Poshmark, people make bundles. Just like on eBay when people did lots. So this gal created this bundle with my perfect component, pointless pigment, pure palette. Please let me know if I'm doing something wrong to use this. This was a bundle, all these items together. Hi, how are you? Welcome to my channel. I only started watching his videos a few months ago. That is a creative person with the most interesting life. Chaotic, controversial mid-years. But no one knows what it was like growing up for him. Just like no one knows what it was like growing up for me. Just like more than likely, no one knows what it was like growing up for you. So when we act out in the middle, it's how we turn out in the end. My opinion. Yours is always welcome below. I found Beauty Creations at TJ Maxx. The lip scrub and oil. This is scrubby. So when I saw this brush set, came with a little eye palette. The lippies were dried up, no stress. The eye palette, the pigments weren't powerful. But this brand is cruelty free. Just the most adorable. And this is quality. Like, it really is. I love it. I've used these two. And then it came with all those. The fan, the face, the rounds, a couple of tips. Nice packers. And a beautiful fine line. I love all things pink. What's your favorite color? Again, I normally purchase everything direct. So Jeffree Star Cosmetics did the Valentine's mystery bundles. And this came out of my second one. This one's mine. I already have one. I don't need two. I mean, goodness gracious, these things are going to last years. I store mine out of light, dry room. They should last me like forever. So this is mine. One for me, one for you maybe? I'll do a giveaway. If you want to be entered to win this palette and this brush, all you have to do is comment below this video. Comment anything. This triggers the algorithm, which is going to trigger YouTube, which should help my channel grow. My hope is y'all going to want to like this video and subscribe. But I'll bribe you. Go ahead and comment. And we will draw the winner at Sunday Morning Live. I go live every Sunday morning. I will pin Sunday Morning Live in the comment below this video. You comment below this video, come to that live, and we'll draw. It's that simple. Please be in the United States only. If you've already won before, I'll redraw. I'm so glad you're here. I'm so glad I found these items because I love them. Right now, today, I am wearing Entitled from this palette in my outer lids. Did I sound like I knew what I was talking about? Oh my gosh. You guys, I love it. If you know anybody who'd be interested, be sure to share me out. I hope you tune in every Friday for Forties Faced. Have a great week. See you Sunday.